everyone, this is Meghna.
And this is Ashmita. Today we are back with another episode of Events of Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj. PM SHRI Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj celebrated Bagless Day with a series of engaging educational activities aimed at fostering creativity, community service and environmental awareness among the students. The day began with a unique workshop conducted on campus, encouraging students to think outside the box and explore learning beyond traditional textbooks. Participants expressed their thoughts and creativity by designing impactful posters and writing slogans that highlighted the importance of Bagless Day and its connection to the stress-free and holistic approach to education.
So now, our reporter of the day, Ashmita Datta, is now going to take the feedbacks of the students present in the workshop.
विद्यालय में होने वाले काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वर्कशॉप्स विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू इस वर्कशॉप के संचालक मिसेस सुमना चक्रवर्ती मैम पीजीटी बायोलॉजी से हम पूछ लेते हैं कि व्हाट्स एक्चुअली गोइंग ऑन। मैम आपने आज बच्चों को क्या पढ़ाया और बच्चों ने आज क्या सीखा?
बच्चों ने आज बेसिकली दो टॉपिक पे वर्कशॉप किए। वन इज कंपोस्टिंग एंड अनदर इज रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग। जिसमें कंपोस्टिंग में उन्होंने कंपोस्ट पिट एट होम कैसे वो कंपोस्ट पिट बना सकते हैं वो सीखा उन्होंने, और रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग में उन्होंने जाना कि किस तरह से हम रेन वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी एज वेल एज फॉर देमसेल्फ। तो यही था हमारा वर्कशॉप का मेन पर्पस, और पर्पस के थ्रू हम ये सिखाना चाहते थे बच्चों को कि कंपोस्टिंग करने से किचन वेस्ट जो है जो हमारे घर पे बनता है उससे भी हम
Thank you for your
Thank you.
As part of the day's program, a group of students visited Vivekananda College. तुम्हारी मैम और हम मौजूद हैं विवेकानंद कॉलेज ऑफ एजुकेशन में। मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि हमारे विद्यालय के विद्यार्थी यहाँ पे आके प्लांटिंग कर रहे हैं?
नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि बच्चे आए हैं हमारे कॉलेज में, और इट्स अ प्रिविलेज कि सारे बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना, और फिर इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर कम्युनिटी सर्विस। तो अच्छा है कि बच्चे भी सीख रहे हैं, हमें भी अच्छा लग रहा है कि ऐसा एक प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम लिया है आपने इनिशिएटिव इसको करने के लिए। थैंक्स टू प्रिंसिपल सर एंड ऑल द टीचर्स आउट देयर। और बच्चे सीख रहे हैं, हमारे बच्चे भी सीख रहे हैं कि प्लांट्स को कैसे जतन करना है, एनवायरनमेंट को कैसे प्योर करना है। अच्छा है ये इनिशिएटिव, सीखने के लिए अच्छा है। पार्ट ऑफ एज मेरे दूसरे कलीग्स भी जानते हैं, पार्ट ऑफ एनईपी कि ये सब एक्टिविटीज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, हमारे बच्चों को भी ज़रूरी है, हमें कराना ही ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, और ये प्रोग्राम्स, ये इनिशिएटिव्स और ज़्यादा लिए जाए, और एक्टिविटीज़ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो, इंटरेक्शन ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो, और कम्युनिटी इससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एनरिच हो, यही हम चाहेंगे।
थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे साथ है जयता मैम जो इस कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल है और हमारे विद्यालय मैनेजमेंट कमेटी की भी मेंबर है। मैम, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
It's a very nice experience. In the morning, when principal sir called me that some of the students are coming and with their teachers, and sir himself is also coming to our institution for this plantation. Really, this is a very wonderful experience for all of us. I became very glad when sir called me up to that they are coming. It's a very nice experience from your school, as well as there will be a combination. There will be a good rapport between B.Ed College and this your Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj. We are very happy that all of you have taken this initiative under the guidance of principal sir and all the teachers, and you have come here for this plantation purpose. So it is also very important factor. It's not only academic but also what you want to be multi-talented, na? So what for that you want to be multi-talented, we want you to be multi-talented children. So for becoming a multi-talented, you want to participate in so many activities other than the including the that one your academic also. Academics is also important, as well as this co-curricular parts are also very, very important. That okay, thank you everyone for coming our college and for doing this. Thank you principals and all the teachers and all my the beloved children of the Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj. A round of applause for Kendriya Karimganj.
Vivekananda College and Ramakrishna Mission for a community service initiative. This activity was aimed at promoting a sense of responsibility and compassion among the students while contributing positivity to society.
The highlight of the event was an inspiring address by a speaker from a well-known environmental NGO. The speaker emphasized the importance of sustainable practices and how simple changes such as reducing reliance on school bags for one day could contribute to broader environmental goals. Day concluded with a review session where students shared their experience and takeaways from the activity.
विद्यार्थियों ने भी कुछ चीज़ें प्रिपेयर की हैं, तो चलते हैं उनसे ही पूछ लेते हैं कि उन्होंने क्या सीखा आज।
मेरा नाम शोभिक दास है। आज जो सोना मैम ने हमको सिखाया, मैं आज उनके बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ। पहले तो मैम ने हमको कंपोस्टिंग के बारे में सिखाया, एक वीडियो दिखा के, और उसके बाद मैम ने सिखाया कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के क्या क्या फ़ायदे हैं, जैसे कि हम इसको ड्रॉट के सीज़न में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ड्राई सीज़न में, फ्लड के सीज़न में, मतलब मानसून के सीज़न में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और मैम ने लास्ट में हमको एक डायग्राम और एक वीडियो दिखाया, जिससे हमको पता चला कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग का क्या महत्व है। थैंक यू।
Seems like students have learned many things. Thank you so much.
The collaborative and innovative spirit displayed by the students made the event a resounding success, leaving a lasting impression on everyone involved.
The principal of PM SHRI Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj expressed pride in the students' enthusiasm and encouraged them to apply these lessons to their daily lives, ensuring a brighter and more sustainable future.
Chaudhary sir and Dipankar sir with us, and they have conducted a very fruitful session for the students of PM SHRI Kendriya Vidyalaya Karimganj. How was your experience?
It's very nice that you have listened to the discussion. Basically, I have touched my discussion on environmental pollution, that is how we are polluting our surrounding, and I have also touched climate change, that is global warming, as well as air, water and soil pollution. The contents that I touched basically class 7, 8 and 9 standards. And in addition to this, I tried to cover the subject on depletion of ozone layer, global warming and loss of biodiversity. These subjects I generally touched in my discussion. I think that the students adhere to the discussions, they have followed the discussion, and it gives me very much pleasure to be here with you, that you have followed and you have interacted with me how to save the environment, how to save the nature. Our progeny should know it, and they have nicely interacted with me. And thanks to the principal for giving the village this opportunity to have this splendid discussion on my subject, environment.
Thank you for your valuable time, and we have learned and enjoyed many things. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks.
विद्यालय में हुआ आज बैगलेस डे। आइए जानते हैं बच्चों का एक्सपीरियंस। प्लीज कम। How was your experience, and tell us your name?
My name is Rimsha Das, and so at first the workshop of rainwater harvesting and composting had done, and then in first period we have wrote 10 slogans on rainwater harvesting or composting that was done in our workshop. And then in second period, we have drawn an art on the topic of plantation, and then many members of NGO came in our school and demonstrate us about environment.
Thank you so much. You come. What's your name, and what was the most interesting part?
Also seen our compost period in the school. By the way, it was the most exciting day in our school.
Please come. What's your name, and what have you learned today?
So first of all, good morning. I am Mehboob. At the start of the day, we have visited to Bisharjan Ghat for Saf Safai, and we have also visited Vivekananda College for planting trees. So it is a very exciting day, but at the end of the day, we have a small workshop with Shaman Chaudhary sir. He gave a beautiful speech on environment. So at all, it is a very fun day. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Thank you. That was it for today. Stay tuned.
That's all for today.
Stay tuned with us for another episode. Thank you.